When we talk about play, it's easy to think it's just something children do to pass time. But actually, this is how they learn, through what we call the pedagogy of play. And something we often overlook is that toys aren't just objects. They're part of the learning process. The materials children touch and explore really shape how they understand the world. At this stage, children learn through their bodies. They need to move, to touch, to feel things physically, because that's how their brain starts making sense of everything around them. In today's world, there's a lot of artificial stimulation, screens, sounds, fast visuals. But a child's nervous system actually responds much better to what's real, natural textures, real weight, something they can truly feel. That's why approaches like Montessori and Waldorf matter. They may be different, but together, they create a balance between structure and creativity, guidance and freedom. What's really interesting is, materials can teach without saying a word. The right environment gently guides children to explore, without needing constant instruction. And children don't need complicated toys. In fact, simpler materials often lead to deeper play, more focus, more creativity, and longer engagement. Every material gives feedback. Wood feels different from plastic. Weight, texture, temperature, these small details are actually teaching the child something. When we think about development, it's not just about the 5 senses. There's a whole system of senses that help children understand their body, their environment, and even other people. The first group is the lower senses. These are what help children feel grounded in their own body, things like balance, movement, and touch. Then come the middle senses, the ones we're more familiar with, like sight and sound. These help children connect with and interpret the world around them. And finally, the higher senses. These are what support empathy, understanding others, and building real human connection. So when we bring different philosophies together, like Montessori structure and Waldorf creativity, we're really creating a more complete learning experience. And at the core of it all, is nature. Because nature already holds the patterns, the balance, and the simplicity that children need to learn. So when children are given the right materials and the right environment, they don't just play. They explore, they question, and they grow. And that's how learning really begins.